Hello, I'm Ariel. Ariel, show you how to make tortillas, which is fun. Rise! The tortillas here are pretty fun, easy to make.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you grade the tortillas?
A good 7.5 to 8. Please wash your hands before you do anything in the kitchen. Don't want none of that nasty goat getting in your food.
Alright, so Ariel, how many steps would you say there is to making tortillas?
The flour. No. You just need the corn flour, some water, mix it up. Let the container to mix it up. Knead it a little bit thoroughly so the water gets everywhere. The whole flour so it's not dry. And just a hot pan so you can cook.
Okay, so what is that you're mixing?
This is corn flour, and what my family likes to do, just pitch in a little bit of flour, so it helps it balloon up.
Alright.
It's not necessary. All you really need to do is put in some water and be sure to mix it thoroughly. I like the flour to be, well, pretty moist, because the moister it is, the more water it has, the easier it is to press. Because if it's dry, it's going to be pretty hard to press into a little tortilla. But if you like it a little thick, it's fine too.
We all love it a little thick. Alright, you're just mixing it into a ball.
Yeah, you just want to be thorough. Every part of it to be wet, but moist. Don't want none of it to be dry. Can't have it be dry.
Through press.
There's a little wooden press. Also a little old, super reliable. Just like make a little bit of your sugar. A little snack for good luck. That's it.
Oh! You want to introduce yourself again?
Hello, I'm Ariel. I'm here to teach you how to make tortillas. Quite simple. Just flour, water. Not too much water also. See, the outer rim starts changing color. That's when it's good to switch and flip. Don't be afraid of the fire. Then you can see the tortilla starts ballooning up with some inner gas. As you can see, push, it just balloons back up. That means it's ready. Sometimes if you're lucky, the whole thing will float up. But this one's ready, fresh.
So, is this where you put the tortillas when you're done?
Yeah, just a little styrofoam container. Help it stay, with it rise. Give it a little hint. It's like the process.
A little hint of the homosexual.
Rise.
Do it again.
Rise.
Okay, wrap it up.
That's it.
Alright. Well, thank you.
Ain't nobody gon' set you up. I ain't even gon' sweat your love. And we'll never be friends like this.